Hello, my dear students. I, Miss Munazza Sayyed, welcome you all to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School. Today, I am going to teach you English subject of grade 2. So, my dear students, as we have completed our lesson number 1, what was the name of the lesson? Kira the caterpillar. We have saw the story, we have learned the story. Then after we solved the textbook exercise. Okay. And now we are going to start with something else. First of all, to get to the point, I will show you some pictures. You have to tell me, means what that perfect emoji we can say and that perfect face. You have to recognize that. Okay. First one is, what's this face say us? Means what it includes? You can see we have written here down also. What is that? S-A-D, sad. If you will not see this also, children, you can recognize, yes, it's sad. Okay, good. Second one is happy, right? Very good, you have recognized well. And the last one is, I will hide the name, children. Cry baby, right? So, now you have to recognize one action that I will do. Okay. Some actions, not only one I will do. I'll do some more actions. Now, okay, I'll start. Hungry, very good. Sleepy, very good. Thirsty, well done. And the last one is, what? When we are using this action, children, now this hungry, drinking, sleepy, always we do. Even this action we do always. What we can say to this action? Shh. Means be quiet, don't make noise. Correct? So, related to this shh means shush, we are going to learn the story. That is lesson number 2, shush. S-H-U-S-H, shush. Open your textbooks. Page number 9. Have you all opened? Good. Repeat after me. Lesson number 2. Repeat properly, children. Lesson number 2. Shush. S-H-U-S-H. Shush. S-H-U-S-H. Shush. Shush means what, children? First of all, let me clear you. Even you know, means khamosh betho, be quiet, don't make noise. In this way, when we are telling, we are doing the action. Means on the lips, we are putting fingers. Right? Means we should not talk, we should not make noise. Understood? Now you can see, children, here on the board, a picture. Oh, it's too big. Let me reset it, children. Yeah. See. This picture you can see on the board. What are the children doing in the picture, children? Yes. There are 2 children, right? One is girl, one is boy. So the girl is making chapati. Correct? And the boy is giving the small piece of dough to that girl. What the children are exactly doing? They are doing the work, right? Means they are helping to their mother, right? So now she is mother. Here two children are here. So who will tell me now, does the mother look happy, children? Yes. Does the mother look happy? Yes, you can see that the mother is happy. Why the mother is happy here, children? Because her children are helping her. Even if you will also help your parents, your mother, your father, your friends, anyone from your family member or anyone who is close to you, they will be happy, children, because you are helping them. In the same way, how you all expect that somebody should help you, then you will be happy. In the same way, when we will help to somebody by something, they will be happy. So my next question will be, children, do you help your parents at home? No. Acha, yes, means you all are helping. Very good, children. We have to help each other at home, school, or in your relatives, to your friends. We should have always a helping nature. Okay? Now, children, we are going to read a story. Let me close this first. Okay. Now, we are going to read the story, children, about Kavya and Rohan. Okay. What we are going to learn a story now about Kavya. 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 Kavya is the name of a girl, and Rohan. 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 Rohan is Kavya's brother. What they did? They planned to surprise their mother by helping her. So they wanted to surprise their mother. How? By helping her. Now pay attention to the board. I am going to read the paragraph now. See, the first point is here about how Kavya and Rohan planned to surprise their mother. Pay attention to the board, children. It was quiet in the house. Shh. Mother was sleeping. She was taking a nap. Again, shh. The baby was sleeping. He was taking a nap too. So what was the scene, children? It was quiet in the house. Means all silent in house. The mother was sleeping. She was taking a nap. N-A-P, nap. Nap means a short sleep during the day. Means during the whole day we can take a short sleep. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Nap. Okay. N-A-P, nap. And the baby was also taking a nap too. T-O-O-2. मतलब बेबी भी एक नैप मदर के साथ ले रहा था. Okay. It was quiet in the house. Shh. Mother was sleeping. Children, this shh, I'm telling, S-H-U-S-H. Okay. Mother was sleeping. She was taking a nap. Nap means what, children? Repeat after me. A short sleep. What do you mean by nap? A short sleep. The baby was sleeping and he was taking a nap too. Drip, drip, drip. Water was dripping into the sink. You can see in the picture, see, water was dripping into the sink. टपक रहा है पानी. Okay, it is dripping, you can see. And the water will drip, the sound you just imagine children. जब पानी गिरता है तो कैसी आवाज आती है? टप, टप, टप. Right? So in the same way, here in the sink, what do you mean by sink now? S-I-N-K, sink. Sink means a large steel basin where we wash our hands or dishes. So we all have sink in our kitchens. Okay. So the water was dripping into the sink and the sink was full of dishes. See, the water was dripping into the sink and the sink was full of dishes. You can see in the picture, see, there are many dishes in the sink. Means it's full. Bhar gaya hai sink. By what? By the dishes. D-I-S-H-E-S. Dishes. Turn the page, children. We will see the next point of this lesson now. So what was the scene? It was quiet at home. Mother was sleeping. She was taking a nap. And even the baby was taking a nap too. Nap means what? A short sleep during the daytime. So what happened? The sound came that drip, drip, drip. The water was dripping into the sink and the sink was full of what? Dishes. So what happened next? Do you think we can? Whispered Kavya. Whispered. W-H-I-S-P-E-R-E-D. Whispered means एकदम धीमी आवाज में बोलना, धीरे से बोलना. What do you mean by whispered? Spoke in a very low voice that other people could not hear what was being said. Suppose children, you have something surprise or something if you don't want to share with your other friends. You will say in your friend's ear. एकदम धीमे से बोलते हो ना, planning and all. So in the same way, whispered means that no one other than those people could listen that. Okay. So what Kavya said? Do you think we can? Whispered Kavya. I think we can. Rohan whispered back. So when Kavya asked in a low voice, क्या हम ये कर सकते हैं? Do you think we can? Who said this? Kavya. So while giving the reply to Kavya, what Rohan said? I think we can. Rohan whispered back. S-W-I-S-H. Swish. Swish, swish. Kavya washed the dishes. Now children, this is the sound when we will wash the dishes. How we saw that water was dripping, that drip, drip, drip sound. In the same way, today you all observe that if your mother or someone else is washing the dishes, you can listen a sound, okay, while washing that. So that was the sound of washing the dishes by Kavya. Kavya washed the dishes. So what Kavya did after the discussion between Kavya and Rohan, they started the work. What Kavya did? Kavya washed the dishes. Rohan dried them. D-R-I, dry, dry's ED form is dried. Rohan dried them. D-R-I-E-D, dried. Dried means wiped away the water on the dishes using a towel or a napkin. You can use any cloth. Okay, sukha dena. So when Kavya was washing the dishes, what Rohan was doing? Rohan dried them. All the dishes were shiny, clean and dry. So children, when we will wash the dishes, it will become clean and the dishes were shiny and dry. S-H-I-N-Y, shiny, C-L-E-A-N, clean and D-R-Y, dry. Kavya washed the dishes. Rohan dried them. Then after washing, all the dishes were clean, shiny and dry. Then what happened? Then Rohan stood on a chair and opened the cupboard. So when we will wash the dishes, children, even you can observe at your home, when your mother or someone else wash the dishes, we have to keep on their own proper place. Correct? सबके घर में अलग अलग place होता है. Somebody will keep in cupboards, somebody will keep in the racks. Correct, children? So after washing the dishes, what even Kavya and Rohan they were doing? They were keeping those dishes on the proper place. So what Rohan did? Rohan stood on a chair and opened the cupboard. Stood, S-O-O-D, stood. Stands past tense. Means it had happened a long time ago. So stands past tense. मतलब वो खड़ा हो चुका है already. Okay. So what Rohan did, you can see in this picture, Rohan stood on a chair and he opened the cupboard. So you can see he opened a cupboard. Kavya gave him the dishes one by one. So what Kavya did, she was helping her brother. Rohan was keeping the dishes in the cupboard and from down, Kavya was giving dishes one by one. एक के बाद एक. Kavya क्या कर रही थी? Kavya was giving the dishes to Rohan. And Rohan put them in their right places. As I said you that we have separate and the right places for everything. Children, you have your bookshelf different, right? In your room or in your hall. The TV's place is separate, means it will be fixed. So, the places are fixed in every house. Cupboard यहाँ रहेगी, TV यहाँ रहेगा, the shoe rack will be out, this, that. So in the same way, for the dishes also, we have separate place and the right place in the kitchen to keep in. So what Rohan was doing? Rohan was putting all those dishes in the right places. But just as he took the last dish, but what happened, children? As he took the last dish, what was the last dish? The big red jam jar. It slipped. What it? Slipped. S-L-I-P-P-E-D, slipped. मतलब हाथ से गिर गया. It slipped out of his hands. Kavya tried to catch it, but it slipped out of her hand as well. So children, just imagine you're holding something, but by mistake, if it is slipping from your hand, what you will do, you will try your hard to catch that again, right? So in the same way, when the last dish, the big red jam jar, slipped out of Rohan's hand, what Kavya wanted to catch that. Kavya was trying to catch that, but it slipped out of her hands as well. See, the house is quiet. Here the mother is taking a nap. Nap means a short sleep during the day. Here the baby is sleeping. The baby is taking the nap too with her mother. Then what? Rohan and Kavya decided to help their mother by giving the surprise. And what was the surprise? By washing all those dishes which were in the sink. So what they did? Kavya washed all the dishes. Rohan dried them all. Then Rohan stood up on a chair and he opened a cupboard. Then what he did? He was keeping dishes on the right place. And who was giving to Rohan the dishes, children? Kavya. Very good. Kavya was giving the dishes one by one. So everything they have set. But only the last dish was remaining, and the last dish was the big red jam jar. Then what happened? When Rohan took that jar in the hand, it slipped out of his hand. So what Kavya did, even Kavya wanted to catch that, but it slipped out of her hand as well. Now what do you think, children, what will happen next? Yes? What will happen? Now just imagine you and your brother or your sister want to help your parents by doing something, by cleaning the house, by washing the dishes, by first of all, the main thing is by keeping your toys at the right place. What you will do? You will throw it here and there. Your room will be messy, means unclean. The things are not on the proper place. So suppose, imagine that you are doing the same thing as Kavya and Rohan are doing in the story. Suppose any of the dish slipped out of your hand. What will happen, children? What do you think? Obviously, it will be crash, टूट जाएगा. उसके बाद क्या होगा? Then your parents will come and they will shout at you. Correct? No? Then? Now children, here for particularly this situation, everyone's opinion will be different. Some of the parents will shout. Some of the parents will not shout. Okay? But just remember one thing, children. If you are helping your parents, you have to do that work which you are capable to do. Means you can do easily. See, you want to help, it's good. It's very good actually. But जो भी काम करोगे वो सेफ्टी के साथ करना है. स्पेशली किचन में जाके you should not on the gas, you should not take the knife. Okay? Just keep in mind those things. So coming back to the story, after that, red jam jar slipped out of Rohan's and Kavya's hand as well. What happened? Crash! What a loud noise it made. So when the jar slipped out of both of them, from Kavya and Rohan. So वो क्या हो गया, नीचे गिरने के बाद टूट गया, crash. What a loud noise it made. So when something will fell down after a high space from the height, what will happen? जोर से आवाज आएगी, right? So in the same way, when it fell down, a loud noise it made. It woke up the baby from his nap and he began to cry. So, as you all know, when the babies will wake up from their sleep, what they will do? They will cry. Okay, so it woke the baby from his nap and he began to cry. It woke mother from her nap too. She picked up the baby. So what mother did, from that loud noise, baby woke up from his nap and he began to cry. Then what? It woke up the mother too from her nap. So what she did, she picked up the baby. उसने क्या किया? What the mother did, she picked up, baby को लिया and came into the kitchen, because this incident had happened in the kitchen. So where mother will come exactly? In the kitchen itself. She picked up the baby and came into the kitchen. But she did not say, "Oh, you have broken my red jam jar." So when mother came in the kitchen, she not said that, "Oh, oh, you have broken my red jam jar." Instead of telling this, what she said, children? "Oh, you have washed all the dishes. That is so sweet of you. Thank you, children." So as I said, some will shout, some will not. So instead of shouting on the children in anger that, "Oh, you have broken my red jam jar," what mother said? "Oh, you have washed all the dishes. That is so sweet of you. Thank you, children." Means she got emotional and she was happy too that the children wanted to help their mother by washing the dishes. So she said that you have washed all the dishes. She not saw that the red big jam jar has broken. Instead of that, she saw the other part. ठीक है, वो टूट गया, but किस वजह से टूटा? That the main aim of the children was to make the mother surprised by washing all the dishes. So what mother did, instead of going for the anger, she had handled that. She said that you have washed all the dishes and it's so sweet of you. Means she was loving her child, her children actually, that they have washed the dishes. So in every situation, children, we have always two parts. First one, जो हुआ. Second one, जिससे हुआ. Means because of what reason it had happened. So always we should not go in anger. Yeah, it's a mistake of the children that they, by mistake from their hand, it broke. But why they did that? They wanted to help. Their feeling was that they want to surprise their mother. Okay. So the next part of this lesson we will see in the next period. So my dear student, how was the story? Did you all like this? Good. So the next part we will see in the next period. Till then, keep helping your parents but with the safety, and read lesson number 2, Shush. Thank you.